Today's episode is a public service announcement. Please think before you call 911. Make sure you're calling about an actual emergency. The video for today shows an officer responding to a call that was reported as a lost elderly man with dementia who was almost hit by a vehicle.
And I don't know. He wasn't like responding to me, and I don't know. I feel like he's not where he should be. He seems very old, and he's like just walking in circles. He looked very confused, and I take care of my dad who has dementia. He looked very confused to me.
The officer responded with lights and sirens due to the nature of the call, putting his life and the lives of many people in the public at risk. The officer finally arrived on scene after several close calls, and what he found did not match the call he was sent on.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, buddy. How you doing? Someone called in on you, so they thought you were an old man that was lost and was stumbling around.
No.
No, you're just out here flying your sign?
Yeah.
All right, do me a favor. Stay out of the roadway when you're doing it, okay? All right.
Well, lost. No, I'm all right.
All right, man. Take care. Yep.